Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use vitamin E capsule for beard growth step by step. Open one capsule and apply the oil directly to the skin under your beard. Gently massage the oil into follicles for 2 to 3 minutes to boost circulation. Allow the oil to sit overnight or for several hours before washing. Repeat this treatment 2 times per week and monitor for any skin sensitivity. Start by selecting a high-quality vitamin E capsule with minimal additives and a clean workspace. Wash your beard thoroughly with a gentle cleanser to remove oils and dirt. Carefully open the capsule and transfer the oil using a sterile needle or dropper to avoid contamination. Apply small amounts near the skin where growth is desired and avoid saturating hair shafts to prevent greasiness. Consistency matters, so set a twice-weekly routine. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab the Simple Path to Wealth for a clear, friendly guide to money that pairs well with building any long-term routine. I find its practical advice oddly motivating when sticking to grooming or saving habits, and it might help you plan for beard care budgets. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Apply a pea-sized amount of oil to fingertips. Then massage into the beard skin for 2 to 3 minutes to improve circulation and nutrient delivery. If pure vitamin E is too thick, blend 1 drop with a carrier oil like jojoba or argan for smoother application. Keep treatments light to prevent clogged pores and use them on non-irritated skin. Track progress and adjust frequency if you notice any irritation or excess oiliness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.